Hi guys, postman's bin, 4 packages, and I'm pretty sure I know what each one is. We'll start with that one. Pretty sure that one's a camera, a mini one, double wrapped. Another SQ11 mini camera. Now, the first one I bought was excellent. I've been using it for years and I really love it. When I've tried to buy a second one, every one I've bought since then has been absolutely rubbish. So we won't know until I actually try it out. I went for another orange one, the same as the one that I've got. But I'll have to charge it up, put a memory card in there and see what it's like. Yeah, there's no charge in there at the moment. Okay, so that's the mini camera. I never ever use this little clip that comes with it. Clips on there somewhere, and then I suppose you can clip it on your jacket or something like that, on your lapel. Never ever done that. And then you can use that, you can actually, they do sell it as a spy camera as well, so you could screw that to a wall somewhere and then that would clip on there. But yeah, I just use blue tack and just stick it on the car. In fact, I was running this one earlier today. I can't get it off now. There we go. I was running this one earlier today, a couple of bits of blue tack down either side there, and had it stuck just on the back window there, so it was looking through the windows. That's what I like them for. Nice little lightweight, so I can put them on the smallest of my cars. Right, shove that out the way for now. If you look in the video description, I don't give you a direct link. I mean, all of those come from eBay, that comes from somewhere else. But I don't give you the eBay link, I just tell you what they're called, like SQ11 camera. And you can do your own search and find out what sort of price range they come from, rather than go from the particular one that I bought from. I just generally find the cheapest one. Although in the case of these SQ11s, if you go for the cheapest one, they're down to sort of about £2.99 or something like that, under £3. I think I paid a bit more for this in the hope that it might be one of the genuine ones rather than the cheap knockoffs of the clones of the originals. We'll find out eventually when we try that one out. Right, this I think is just connectors. Yeah, that's for when I make my own 3S batteries. That's your balance lead. Okay, they look like quite thick wire for a change. Nice soft silicone. Okay, that's them. And that's the instructions for the SQ11. Right, this I'm pretty sure is Christmas trees, LED kits. I did one the other day which was the more complicated version. These are the simpler ones. I have it in mind to possibly introduce my grandson, or at least one of them, to soldering irons. See if they can manage. They're about the age that I introduced my granddaughter to soldering irons. She's a bit older than them. Oh, quite a bit older than them now. Right. Here we are. A simple, hopefully, Christmas tree. The one I did the other day is a double layer. This is just a single one, whereas the one I did was a double one. But they'll be basically the same. Battery box, set of LEDs. Oh, the one that I did had multicoloured LEDs. These are single colour. So I've got 3 kits, so I could do one, then the boys could do one each if they want to have a go. So that's that. And then finally, this thing is a sheep. Yes, I said sheep. S-H-E-E-P. A chimney sheep. A bit of a play on words. Chimney Sheep Limited. And I've got to stick it up my chimney so that when we're not using the chimney, all the warm air doesn't disappear up the chimney. What have they done here? Tape in funny places. Oh, I'm going to have to cut it. So are you ready to see a chimney sheep? A sheep you chuck up the chimney. And here we are. It's probably a delivery note, so yeah, that's got my private details on it, so you're not going to see that. Some instructions. Chimney Sheep, chimney Draught Excluder. Yeah, basically it's lamb's wool or sheep's wool, and it's shaped. Oh, let's open it. Let's open it. Yeah, it's soft. It just fills the hole in your chimney. Safety. Please don't light the fire with your sheep up the chimney. So, that's an extension handle. I don't think I'll need the extension handle, but we'll show that you can screw it in place. And that goes in there. You shove it up your chimney, and that hangs down to remind you that it's up there. Now the size I bought, I paid a lot of attention to their instructions on how to measure the chimney, but I then decided that I was measuring it right up here somewhere where it's about, I don't know, rough guess, about a 7 or 8 inch diameter chimney, but I actually want it to go lower down like they're showing it here, where it's a completely different shape. It's wide and narrow. Now mine, it's much narrower than this, but they said get it about 1 inch or 2 bigger, but this is the smallest one according to their sizing chart. So this is, as I say, mine only needs to be about that wide. This is significantly wider. Lengthwise it's about right, but I've got quite a narrow gap for it to go up into. I might do a video showing me shoving it up my chimney, but I don't think there'll be really very much to see other than me just pushing it into a dark hole and it disappears. I did do a video of me measuring my chimney, but that's just to show you that we can look up the chimney with a camera and see where it goes. Okay, well that's it. That's my post bag. Christmas trees, camera, balance leads, and a chimney sheep. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.